Welcome to Pack Expo Connects. I'm Rick Gessler, VP of Engineering at Delcor Systems, and this is our segment on cartoning. Right now, we have engineers and sales managers online ready to answer your questions, so please use the chat window throughout this presentation. Throughout the week, please also check out our segments on case packing and retail-ready packaging to learn more about those topics. When it comes to cartoning, Delcor is well known for our ultra-fast changeover and our smart machine technology. But what many people don't know is that Delcor machines are at the heart of many large-scale cartoning operations across a broad range of categories, including bakery, frozen foods, wine and seltzers, snack foods, and many more. In our Minneapolis operation, we manufacture a broad range of cartoning and packaging machinery, ranging from standalone cartoning machines to hand pack systems to high-speed robotic cartoning lines, on to complete packaging operations that include everything from cartoning through case packing and on to palletizing. We'll start out by covering the broad variety of carton styles that our machines can produce. All Delcor cartoning machines form from a flat blank, eliminating the need for pre-glued cartons, saving you money and opening the door to produce a range of styles and carton features that are not possible using pre-glued cartons. This helps to future-proof your operation. In addition, our machines can not only form all carton styles, but it can form them from traditional paperboard or corrugated materials, enabling you to serve the retailer and the club store application with the same cartoning line. Some examples of the unique features that our cartoning systems can produce are hex-shaped cartons, hooded cartons, tuck-style flap closures, and many other unique shapes and styles. Whether you're setting up a simple hand-pack cartoning line or a fully automated, high-speed robotic cartoning system, it all starts with our Trifecta former. This high-speed former is available with 1, 2, or 3 forming heads, and it can be configured to simultaneously produce multiple carton sizes at the same time. This can enable you to use a single former to feed multiple cartoning lines. The Trifecta head slide and tooling both mount to a single CNC machine subframe, offering incredible rigidity and precision. This assures that after our quick, simple, toolless changeover, the first carton out is a perfect carton. Delcor offers a variety of robotic carton loading systems, one of which is the V-Series. The vision-based infeed on this machine can accept product in single or multiple lanes, making it a great solution for lines that have multiple wrappers or baggers. The team of Fanuc Delta robots handle incoming product at very high rates of speed and can perfectly pack product into cartons. When top-loading rigid containers into cartons, Delcor's Performance Loader offers a compact and economical solution. Its intelligent synchronization feature is one of Delcor's patented smart machine technologies. It controls product flow and pattern building, effectively reducing machine footprint, cost, and changeover time. The Performance Loader covers a broad range of product speeds, sizes, and pack formats. For ultra-fast carton loading solutions, Delcor's MSP series offers a unique combination of vision-based Fanuc robots and a high-speed servo-based carton handling system. Completing the cartoning system is Delcor's Capstone line of carton closers. The Capstone M series offers a compact footprint at an economical price. As an option, this machine is available in full stainless construction for demanding environments. For high-speed applications, Delcor's S-Series includes our patented intelligent positioning technology. This system measures and corrects every carton individually at full line rate to ensure perfect alignment of carton graphics and carton flaps. There really is nothing else like it on the market. With its intelligent positioning technology, we've been able to reduce the parts count and the machine footprint by nearly 30%. We have an option for push-button changeover, and the machine is available in full stainless steel construction for demanding environments. With the immense pressure that retailers are putting on suppliers to introduce new package formats, there's no better time than now for Delcor's Core Products program. In just 6 to 10 weeks, we can deliver case erectors and sealers to your facility to meet these demanding timelines. We've been working hard to streamline our production and to build up our inventory, so we're just waiting on your final package specs to finalize the build of these machines and get them on their way to your facility.
Hi, I'm Dale Anderson, President of Delcor, and I'd like to thank all of you for joining us for today's presentation. Before we finish up, we put together a little clip about who we are at Delcor. I hope you enjoy it.